Hi students, welcome to our science class. In the last class we concluded our chapter and the next chapter is diseases. That is the third chapter. We will discuss this chapter later. Now I am going to start the fourth chapter and that is safety and first aid. Fourth chapter. It is there in the page number 90. In your textbook, it is on the page number 90. Just take your textbook. So, we will discuss the third chapter later. I am not skipping that. We will do later. Then, we can start our chapter by doing one activity. Just take your textbook. In the page number 90, you can see one activity here. And there gave some of the pictures. You just want to observe this and tick which are right and which are wrong. That means which things are right and some of the things here the child is doing is wrong. So you want to put tick or cross mark. You can do with your pencil in your textbook. So just pause the video and do this. I hope you completed your work. What is there in the first image? In the first image, the picture is this. A child is walking through zebra line. Have any problem with that image? No, that is right. So you want to put tick. And what is the next image? A child is climbing on the desk. Climbing on the desk. Is it okay? No, obviously no. When he is just standing there, it have a possibility to fall down. So, it is not okay to stand there. So, you want to put cross mark there. And the third one is what? Jumping from running bus. A child is there and the bus is running and the child is just trying to jump from the running bus. Is it right? No. And what is the fourth one? Playing with knife. That is the fourth one. The child is just playing with the knife and he gets cut on his hand and he starts bleeding. That is the fourth image. Is it okay? Do we want to play with the knife? No. Then the fourth one also you want to put cross mark. This is the activity. In all these cases, the first one is okay, and in the second, third and fourth case, you can see that there is having some sort of accidents are happening. And it may happen at any time without any type of warning. It may happen at our school, our home, playground or even at road. So, the accidents sometimes occurs with our carelessness. Most of the cases it is because of our carelessness. So in this chapter we are going to discuss some of the safety measures and first aid that you want to know in your daily life. That is this chapter. First of all, we are going to discuss about some of the traffic signals. You can see the traffic signals in page number 90. The diagrams are there. In this area, no need of studying to draw this, but you want to identify which is that symbol. That is the thing you want to do here. The first one is this. This is the first symbol that gave in your textbook. Before that, I just want to tell you something that in our road we have nowadays we have number of vehicles are there and so we have what? The possibility of accidents are more. That's why we want to study the rules on the road and also the symbols or signs. And what is this traffic signals? What is these traffic signals? Many signs are there on the road and these signs are called what? Road signs. Road signs or traffic signals. That is, many signs are there on road. That means we can see many signs are there which is placed on certain type of board. And that signs are called what? Road signs or traffic signals. This is the definition of traffic signals. Just read it. It is there in your textbook. The next we want to study some of the traffic signals. This is the first one. That means you can see here one arrow at the top and one arrow at the bottom, and then in a circle a crossed line is here, and these all are in a square piece. And which is this symbol? This is one-way sign. One-way sign. Actually, this means that when you can see a symbol like this in a particular sign, what it means? It means no. No is the meaning of this. That means here the meaning is this. It is not possible to go two-way. That is the meaning of this. This is the two-way. Two arrows are there. That is two-way. And when we are crossing this, that means it is not possible to go two-way. That's why this is one-way sign. One-way sign. That means the vehicle can only move in one side. That is the meaning of this. That is the first sign. The next one is this. You can see neat diagram in your textbook. This is the second one. And what is this? This is no U-turn. No U-turn. That means it is not possible to turn in U shape. That is what? No U-turn. The symbol is this. An inverted U is there and a crossed line is here within a circle. So this is the sign for no U-turn. So this is the second one. Now we are going to discuss the third one. That is a capital P. A capital P is there, and again a circle and having a crossed line inside a square. Then what is the meaning of this? This is no parking. No parking. No parking. So when you can see this, a P with a crossed line within a circle, then what it means? No parking. Now, the next one, that is one arrow is towards the top, which is there inside one circle with a crossed line and within a box. And what is this? This is no entry. There is having no entry. That means we are unable to enter to that space. That is what? No entry. And the symbol is one arrow towards the top and we have a crossed line within a circle. And this is no entry. Now we are moving to the next sign. The next one is something, you just look your textbook. It is like this, something like this is something means a person is walking and the symbol that is having a cross. A cross within a circle and a person is walking. And the sign is this, no pedestrian. No pedestrian means it is unable to walk through that area. That is the meaning of this, no pedestrian. So the symbol is this, a person is walking and then a crossed line is there within a circle, and that is the symbol is no pedestrian. No pedestrian. That means the person or there is no person can walk. That is the meaning of this. No pedestrian. Not allowed to walk through the area. The next symbol. One arrow is there. And the arrow is pointed to left side. A circle and we have a crossed line within a square. And what is this? This is no left turn. No left turn. That is, here you can see one arrow which is pointed to left side. That means the left turn. And here this means what? No. So no left turn is possible. That's the meaning of this symbol. No left turn. In the similar way, we have another sign that the only difference, the arrow head is towards the right. That is the next one, and that is like this. We have one arrow, the head is towards the, and one circle is the, and a crossed line within a square. And what is this? Then the arrow is towards left, then we are saying no left turn. And here the arrow is towards right, then what it is? No right turn. No right turn. No right turn. It is not possible to turn towards right. That is what? No right turn, meaning of the symbol. And we have final symbol in your textbook, that is, it is the in a triangle. One triangle, and inside the triangle we have one symbol like this. This is the symbol. And what it means? This is speed breaker. Speed breaker. That means to reduce the speed. That's why we are adding the speed breaker. So this is the last symbol. In this area you want to study these symbols. And you want to identify when you see this, what is the name of this or what it indicates. So you want to identify this. For that you want to study that symbols. When you observe that, you have to identify this. The next thing is this. Safety from fire. Safety from fire. Fire spread very fast and can lose life and property. That means the fire can harm our life and also it destroys our property. So we want to be aware of how to be the safe if there occurs fire. And now we are going to study the causes and prevention. Prevention of this fire. That means how this fire occurs. That is the cause. How this fire occurs or why. That is the cause. And the prevention. That means how we can prevent this fire. That is the thing we will discuss in prevention. So first of all we are going to discuss the causes. How this fire occurs. Some of the things are we here discussed. The first one is electrical faults or short circuit. Electrical faults or short short circuit. That means with the electricity, we know they're having number of wires and all. Sometimes when these wires are getting touched, then what happens? There occurs short circuit. So that's why we are making these wires with the blue color, yellow color, like the colors you can see. That is some sort of insulated materials. Insulated means we are just avoiding the possibility of getting short circuit. Now just understood like that. So one of the cause for catching fire is the electrical faults and short circuits. You just want to understand that the mistake that occurs within the electric circuits. The next one is this unsafe use of matchstick, petromax, candles, kerosene and firecrackers. So the next cause is this unsafe use of. That means we are using it unsafe. Unsafe use of matchstick. For example, I am just burning one matchstick and just throwing it away. Then what happens? When it falls to some area and then catch fire, that will cause danger. So we want to handle these matchsticks, petromax or candles, kerosene, firecrackers like things to be safe. Oh, we want to handle it safe. So we are talking that we want to use these things safe. When we are using it unsafe, that will cause to get fire. That is the point here. So remember, matchsticks, petromax, firecrackers, kerosene, candles, and these all when we use unsafe, then it leads to catch fire. The next point is this gas leakage. Gas leakage in kitchen. That is one of the reason for catching fire. Gas leakage in kitchen. We all are using the gas cylinders in our home. So when these gases get leaked, what happens? There occurs a possibility to catch fire. So we want to use these cylinders safe. The next cause is this catching fire by hot oil left on a burning stove. Catching fire by hot oil left on a burning stove. That means when we are putting one pan and we have hot oil in that, there is having a possibility to catch fire. So handle with care. These are some of the causes that cause catch fire. The first one is the electrical faults and short circuit. First one. The next one is when we are using unsafe the matchstick, petromax, candles, kerosene, fireworks. So that will lead to cause fire. The next one is the gas leakage in kitchen. The next one, catching fire by hot oil left on the burning stove. These are some of the causes or reasons. This is all about today's class. You want to read your textbook and just understand that. No need of by hearting. We will meet in our next class with the further topics.